How to use fitness app on iPhone without Apple Watch. Welcome to another iPhone tutorial. If you want to use the fitness app on your iPhone without an Apple Watch, no problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to track your activity using just your phone. So let's get started. First, open the fitness app on your iPhone. It comes pre-installed on most devices, but if you don't have it, you can simply download it from the app stores for free. Once you open, you need to simply tap on continue, and you need to simply enter your date of birth, your sex, your height, and your weight. Tap on continue. Now you need to put a daily move goal. You need to set a goal based on how active you are or how active you'd like to be. Simply tap on change, or you can simply tap on continue. Click on allow. Now once you've done that, what you need to do is open settings on your phone. Just scroll down and tap on privacy and security, and simply tap on motion. Make sure fitness tracking and health are enabled. As you can see, fitness tracking is turned on and health is also turned on. This allows your iPhone to track your movement using its built-in sensors. Now what you need to do is just open the fitness app. Then the move ring will track your calories burned based on your steps and movement. Just scroll down to see your daily activity progress, including steps, distance, and calories burned. Your iPhone uses its sensors to estimate your movement, so you don't need an Apple Watch. You can simply set a daily move goal as we did earlier. Just tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and simply tap on change move goal, and you can simply add calories like this and simply tap on change move goal, and this keeps you motivated to stay active every day. And that's it. Now you know how to use the fitness app on iPhone.